of let's see how to get debug mode in Sonic CD iPad. In the first step, open Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Later, choose Game Data. In the next step, launch Sonic CD. Next, go to the main screen. Now, select Sound Test. In the next step, type L34 356 in Sound Test. Now, confirm the selection. After that, unlock the secret menu. In the next step, choose Debug Mode from the list. Then turn on the setting. Next, go back to the main screen. In the next step, begin a new game. Later, tap using 2 fingers to enable debug mode. Then try out the special options. You are good to go.